बच्चों, hope that you all are happy and fine and keeping good, and you are working on the lesson which were taught earlier. Now we are doing Gillu by Mahadevi Verma, and in the first part we saw that how she got Gillu and how it was named and how she protected it. Now to the later part of our lesson we will find what had happened to it and how close Gillu was to her and how dear was Gillu to her. So we will continue our lesson Gillu. मेरे कमरे से बाहर जाने पर गिल्लू भी खिड़की की खुली जाली की राह बाहर चला जाता और दिन भर गिलहरियों के झुंड का नेता बना हर डाल पर उछलता कूदता रहता और ठीक 4 बजे वह खिड़की से भीतर आकर अपने झूले में झूलने लगता. So, in this paragraph, we see that Gillu's routine, what it used to do, Gillu will go outside the window of the poetess house, and then it will play with the other squirrels there, and at 4 o'clock it will come to its place there, where is the swing she had made. Our poetess had made a swing there, and it used to come back to that swing and play. So मेरे कमरे के से बाहर जाने पर गिल्लू भी खिड़की की खुली जाली की राह बाहर चला जाता था. When Kavitri used to go outside, Gillu also go outside from the corner of the grill. दिन भर गिलहरियों के झुंड का नेता बना हर डाल पर उछलता कूदता means it used to jump here and there. So गिलहरियों का झुंड means the group of gilahari, that squirrels. So many squirrels will be there, and that time it used to be the leader of the squirrels and play here and there, and when at 4 o'clock it used to come back to its place. Next paragraph. मुझे चौंकाने की इच्छा उसमें न जाने कब और कैसे उत्पन्न हो गई. कभी फूलदान के फूलों में छुप जाता, कभी पर्दे की चुन्नट में आकर और कभी सोन जूही की पत्तियों में. मुझे चौंकाने की इच्छा. Next, now she is saying that I don't know when the practice it started a practice of making her stun. So she don't know when it started. So what it used to do, कभी फूलदान के फूलों में छिप जाता और कभी पर्दे की चुन्नट में छुप जाता. So what it used to do, it used to hide behind the flower pot, and next it will hide behind the parda means the curtains, or sometimes it used to hide behind the sonjuhi, that it's a flower, sonjuhis, that yellow flower. So it will hide behind the flowers, leaves of the sonjuhi plant. मेरे पास बहुत से पशु पक्षी मेरे पास बहुत से पशु पक्षी हैं और उनका मुझसे लगाव भी कम नहीं है, परंतु उनमें से किसी को मेरे साथ मेरी थाली में खाने का हिम्मत हुई है, ऐसी मुझे स्मरण नहीं है. Now writer says that she had a lot of animals in her house. Pashu Pakshi means animals and birds were there in her house, and no one had guts to come and share her plate when she was taking food. So himmat nahi hui means no one had a guts to come to her and eat from her plate. मुझे स्मरण नहीं आता means she is not getting that if any such things happened by the animals when she was taking food. They never used to come to her, but what this Gillu do, Gillu used to come and share her plate. It used to take food from her plate and eat. So none other animal had such gut to come inside the house and eat with her. गिल्लू इनमें अपवाद था. मैं जैसे ही खाने के कमरे में पहुंचती, वह खिड़की से निकलकर आंगन की दीवार, बरामदा पार करके मेज पर पहुंच जाता और मेरी थाली में बैठ जाना चाहता. बड़ी कठिनाई से मैंने उसे थाली के पास बैठना सिखाया, जहाँ बैठकर वह मेरी थाली में से एक एक चावल उठाकर बड़ी सफाई से खाता रहता. काजू उसका प्रिय खाद्य था और कई दिन काजू न मिलने पर वह अन्य खाने की चीज़ें या तो लेने बंद कर देता था, झूले से नीचे फेंक देता था. So Gillu इनमें अपवाद था means it was different from other animals. Gillu was different from other animals. मैं जैसे ही खाने के कमरे में पहुंचती, खाने का कमरा means the dining room. As soon as I reached the dining room, what happens? वह खिड़की से निकलकर आंगन की दीवार, बरामदा. So as soon as our writer reach the dining room, what this Gillu will do? Gillu will run from the window, and then after that from there it will jump over the wall and then cross the veranda, and then it will reach to the dining table. And what it used to do? मेरी थाली में बैठ जाना चाहता. So it used to come and like to sit on the plate of our writer. So बड़ी कठिनाई से मैंने उसे थाली के पास बैठना सिखाया. So now she is telling that it was very difficult for her to make this Gillu train like this. So whenever she used to come and to the table, it will come first and try to sit on her plate, but very difficultly she taught this Gillu how to sit in front of the plate. Then after sitting with her, what it used to do? जहाँ बैठकर वह मेरी थाली से एक एक चावल उठाकर बड़ी सफाई से खाता रहता. It used to take one rice grain and it used to eat very neatly, very cleanly. काजू उसका प्रिय खाद्य था और कई दिन काजू न मिलने पर, what was its favorite food? Its favorite food was काजू. काजू means the cashew nut. कई दिन काजू ना मिलने पर, many days when it was not available, when cashew nut was not available, what happened? अन्य खाने की चीज़ें या तो लेना बंद कर दिया. So it stopped to take other food items. या तो झूले के नीचे फेंक देता, otherwise it will throw out of the झूला. झूला, I told you that what is the meaning of झूला? The swing. As the writer had made one swing near in her house, every time it used to rest there, and what it used to do when it don't like the food, it will either throw it away from the झूला or else it will stop eating. उसी बीच मुझे मोटर दुर्घटना में आहत होकर कुछ दिन अस्पताल में रहना पड़ा. उन दिनों जब मेरे कमरे पर दरवाज़ा खोला जाता, गिल्लू अपने झूले से उतरकर दौड़ता और फिर किसी दूसरे को देखकर उसी तेजी से अपने घोंसले में जा बैठता. One day what happened? One day मोटर दुर्घटना में आहत होकर कुछ दिनों में अस्पताल रहना पड़ा. writer had an accident, met with an accident, and she had to live in the hospital for many days. Now what happened to this Gillu? What it used to do? उन दिनों जब मेरे कमरे का दरवाज़ा खोला जाता, गिल्लू अपने झूले से उतरकर दौड़ता और फिर किसी दूसरे को देखकर उसी तेजी से अपने घोंसले में जा बैठता. What it used to do, when anybody opened the door, Gillu thought that its mistress is coming. Then what it will do? It will run and come inside. But when it find that it is not its mistress, and it will go back to its ghosla, its nest. सब उसे काजू दे आते, परंतु अस्पताल से लौटकर जब मैंने उसके झूले की सफाई की तो उसमें काजू भरे मिले, जिनसे ज्ञात होता था कि वह उन दिनों अपना प्रिय खाद्य कितना कम खाता रहा. So the writer met with the accident, and she was in the hospital that time. Others in the house used to feed this Gillu, but what this Gillu do? Gillu will take it and keep inside the nest. So everyone gave it kaju, means the cashew nut they used to give, but it did not eat. So when she came back from the hospital, what did she saw? She was just going to clean the place over there. लौट कर जब मैंने उसके झूले की सफाई की, after coming back from the hospital, she started cleaning the nest. That time she found what? She found that the cashew nuts are filled in the nest. It did not eat anything. जिनसे ज्ञात होता था कि वह उन दिनों अपना प्रिय खाद्य कितना कम खाता था. So by this she understood that priya khadya means the food it liked very much, or its favorite food was cashew nut, and that also it did not eat. मेरी अवस्था में वह तकिए पर सिरहाने बैठकर अपने नन्हे नन्हे पंजों से मेरे सिर और बालों को इतने हौले हौले सहलाता रहता कि उसका हटना एक परिचारिका के हटने के समान लगता. मेरी अवस्था में वह तकिए पर सिरहाने बैठकर, सिरहाना means on the bed near the pillow, where the pillow is kept. So what it used to do, see how lovable this creature is. So it used to go and sit near the pillow or near her head, and what it used to do, अपने नन्हे नन्हे पंजों से मेरे सर पर और बालों को इतने हौले हौले मीन्स वेरी स्लोली, से पैरों नन्हे नन्हे पंजों मीन्स द 4 limbs that is the squirrel is having. With that, what it used to do, it used to just touch the hairs and like pampering now we are doing, so that same way this squirrel used to touch her hairs, and she felt very nice. कि उसका हटना एक परिचारिका के हटने के समान लगता. So as a governess coming and looking after the sick people, the same way this squirrel used to come and sit near her. She looked her very lovingly, and it touched her, that she felt that if it go away, she felt that as a governess or a nurse is going from her that place. बाहर जाता न अपने झूले में बैठता. So here what the summer is there, so that's why Gillu never go outside or never go to its swing, that is its nest. Then what he used to do, उसने मेरे निकट रहने के साथ गर्मी से बचने का एक सर्वथा नया उपाय खोज निकाला. Now our Gillu had found out a new way to get rid of the summer season, so and the hot which was affecting him. So what he did, वह मेरे पास रखी सुराही means the pitcher where water is there, we keep water in that and water will be cool. In nowadays I don't know if there is in our houses, because we are having fridge. So olden time surahi was used for keeping water cool. पर लेट जाता और इस प्रकार समीप भी रहता और ठंडक से में भी रहता. So what our Gillu did, Gillu used to go and stick to the surahi, that is the pitcher, and it used to lay down there near it, and this way it got rid of the hot, and it felt always cold there. So it was lying always there without going anywhere. गिलहरियों के जीवन की अवधि 2 वर्ष से अधिक नहीं होती, अतः गिल्लू की जीवन यात्रा का अंत आ ही गया. दिन भर उसने ना कुछ खाया ना बाहर गया. रात में अंत की यातना में भी वह अपने झूले से उतरकर मेरे बिस्तर पर आया और ठंडे पंजों से मेरी वही उंगली पकड़कर हाथ में चिपक गया जिसे उसने अपने बचपन की मरणासन स्थिति में पकड़ा था. So now here we see that the Gilharis, that is the squirrels, are having only 2 years of their lifetime. So our Gillu also is now 2 years of old, and what is happening to Gillu now? 2 वर्ष की अधिक नहीं होती. So the squirrels are don't live more than 2 years. अतः गिल्लू की जीवन यात्रा का अंत आ ही गया. So now the life of Gillu was coming to an end. दिन भर उसने ना कुछ खाया ना बाहर गया. So what it will do when the death is nearing, that time this Gillu, so his death was nearing. So what did Gillu do? Gillu did not go anywhere, bahar na gaya, it did not go outside, kuch khaya na, it did not eat anything. रात में अंत की यातना में भी वह अपने झूले से उतरकर मेरे बिस्तर पर आया. So next what happens, this Gillu came out of its swing, and where did it come? It came near the bed of our writer, poetess. और ठंडे पंजों से मेरी वही उंगली पकड़कर. See, earlier in our lesson, in the beginning, we see that the writeress is standing in front of the juhi plant, that flower plant, and she is thinking of one of her pet. It was Gillu. So Gillu, in the beginning we see that Gillu is no more, and she is thinking that when she feels that seeing the bud, she feels that Gillu is coming back. So now here towards the end of the lesson, she says that it was the time of Gillu's death. So what did it do? It did not take any food, it did not go anywhere, it was just lying near her on the bed. Then what happens? Parantu, and what he did, its paws was on her. Why? Because it was just going to die. So she feels that it was in the same condition when she got it. When she got it in the beginning, it was a small baby, and no hairs was there, and it was the cross bit it, and it just like in the motionless. The creature was motionless. Now same way, towards the end of its life, it is motionless and lying near her on the bed without moving anything, its body parts. पंजे इतने ठंडे हो रहे थे कि मैंने जाग कर हीटर जलाया और उसे उष्णता देने का प्रयत्न किया, परंतु प्रभात की प्रथम किरण के स्पर्श के साथ ही वह किसी और जीवन में जागने के लिए सो गया. Now our poetess, what she did, writers what she did, it was very cool. The body of the squirrel was very cold, so what she did, she got up in the night and she switched on the heater so that it will get little warm. But still what happened, it didn't. Ushnata means warmness. To feel warmness, she switched on the heater. परंतु प्रभात का प्रथम किरण means morning, early morning rays, the first rays of the sun के स्पर्श के साथ ही वह किसी और जीवन में जागने के लिए सो गया. What is happening now? Before, as the first ray of the sun came out, our Gillu also left its soul left its body and went away to find something else. So means by the early morning, Gillu died. झूला उतार कर रख दिया गया है और खिड़की की जाली बंद कर दी गई है, परंतु गिलहरियों की नई पीढ़ी झाली के उस पार चिक चिक करती ही रहती है और सोनजूही पर बसंत आता ही रहता है. So here now the end of Gillu. Then what she did after its death, झूला निकाल कर उतार कर रख दिया गया था. So she removed the swing of the Gillu which she had made for it. Then खिड़की की जाली बंद कर दी गई है, removed the and grill also was closed. परंतु गिलहरियों की नई पीढ़ी new generation. So what the squirrels, new generation of the squirrels used to come and make sounds there. Chick chick is the sound of the squirrels. और सोनजूही पर बसंत आता ही रहता है. So the basant means spring. So in the Sonjuhi plant, spring will be coming and Sonjuhi plant will be blooming and flowers will be coming. And why she did so, let us see what is happening towards the end. सोनजूही की लता के नीचे गिल्लू को समाधि दी गई है, इसलिए भी कि उसे वह लता सबसे अधिक प्रिय थी, इसलिए भी कि उस लघु घात को किसी बसंती दिन जूह के पिता छोटे फूल में खिल जाने का विश्वास मुझे संतोष देता है. See now how much she loved that Gillu. So her love, it shows these lines shows her love towards Gillu. So why did she do that? Because Sonjuhi Lata was the twigs of the Sonjuhi. It liked very much, and it always played in that twigs of the Juhi plant, and that's why what our writers do. इसलिए भी उसे वह लता सबसे अधिक प्रिय थी. It liked the twigs very much. इसलिए भी कि उस लघुघात को किसी वसंती दिन. And another thing, basanti din means during the spring season, what will happen? The new flowers will be blooming, buds will be coming out. So she thinks that if I do this one, she can remember Gillu by seeing the buds of the Juhi plant or the flowers of the Juhi plant. She can remember Gillu. Basanti din Juhi ke pita means yellow बट्स. छोटे फूल में खिल जाने का विश्वास मुझे संतोष देता है. So she thought that if the juhi plant is blooming up, when the small buds are coming out, then she thought that she believes that her gillu is coming out of it, and it made her happy. So this shows that how much she loved Gillu, how much she was close to Gillu, and to remember it, what she did, she buried Gillu under the Juhi plant, and by seeing the yellow flower, she can remember Gillu. In the beginning, she was standing there near the plant where it was bloomed and yellow flower was coming out. And now towards the end of our lesson, we come to know that she loved that creature very much, that animal, that squirrel very much. Even though she was having many animals in her house, but this Gillu was very near, very, very close to her heart, and they loved it very much. So, this is our lesson, and hope you have understood, children. You have to do the notes and write the question answer, which I'll be giving you. You have to read the lesson 5 times. As this is a story, long question answers will be coming, and hope that you have understood this lesson. Thank you, children.